Hello dear traders, it's Petko Aleksandrov, and today on the 28th of February 2018 I have already some results from the trading. If I open the account history, you will see that I had two trades. So the first trade is the one where I have opened just to show you. It was with 0.10 for the euro dollar, and then I had this euro yen and Aussie New Zealand, and they were actually profitable, which is just great to see. And I will wait for some more account history in order to connect this account with one website where I will be able to follow exactly how much profit each of these expert advisors is doing. And of course I will follow that by these magic numbers, the one you see here. If you click right mouse and you select comments, it's a little bit out of the screen. Let me make it bigger so I will show you. Okay, right click over here in the menu where is time price swap profit. So when I click on it, it should be with a tick. Okay, and you see here that these are the two magic numbers from the expert advisors, and by these magic numbers I will be able to follow the performance of all the expert advisors when I have more history data. And here is actually the trade, you can see it. Let me just zoom out a little bit. You will see the trade was open here, the stop loss was here, and it was closed right over here, either for the take profit, but since I don't see a small blue line which normally identifies the take profit, most probably this is the exit condition. As you see, very good movement here is caught. So the back test is the thing that I didn't show so far. If I click on the expert advisor and I go to strategy tester, this is the back tester of MetaTrader. You select the currency, the time frame, spread current is okay. Now here model is very important to always choose open prices only. There is every tick and it says the most precise method. Guys, there is no tick data in MetaTrader. This is illusion, okay? Many companies are selling that. They sell you tick data, but there is no tick data. If you open a file where we have exported the history data for a time frame, we export the four values: the opening, the high, the low, and the close of the bars. There is no information over the chart. There is no information in MetaTrader what happened during this bar, where exactly was the price, how it moved, and so on and so on. So don't test on tick data, don't waste money to buy tick data, just go for open prices only, and that's just fine. And this is actually the most realistic way to get the best results that happened in the history. So here as a period, I will choose the maximum period possible, and I will just click on start. Okay, you see very quickly, this is because the experts are short, the code is very tight, no unnecessary things inside the expert advisors, and here are the results. So here are the open and the close trades, which if you compare to the expert advisor studio are just the same. And if you go to the graph, you will see the very same equity chart. Okay, let me just bring up the euro yen. This is the first expert advisor. Well, obviously here is a very small window, that's why it's a different shape, but this is absolutely the same thing as we see here. And pretty much that's it, guys. This is the most important thing. And if you compare as well the results, you will see the same price opening, the same stop losses and take profit. And this is important because this is how initially when I was testing EA Studio, I realized that it's fantastic software, a fantastic strategy builder, because it generates strategies over the history data of the server where we'll be trading, over the broker where we will be trading. And when we do backtest here, it actually matches 100%, which is fantastic. This means that these strategies that are generated there, they're real, they worked real for this history data, and the only thing we need to do is just to test them on the demo account and to select which ones to place on the live account. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will continue once I have some more trades opened and closed, so I will have bigger account history. Thank you for watching. Bye.